Okay, is there anything in your pockets, any loose items you might have? You can throw them in here. Okay, and then hop around over here.
Watch your head and shoulders as you enter.
Okay, buckle your side seatbelt first.
I'm gonna do a back seatbelt on sides.
Hold this for me.
Okay, that's your chin. Lower this down. I'm gonna take that back from you. Turn the black handlebar where it's nice and full.
Yeah.
Okay, your feet are good where they are. Grab on those black handles, put your heads all the way back. This ball tilts back towards the sky.
Let's see if my hands do the same thing as last time.
Once again, keep your heads all the way back and your feet heel to toes. Do the first launch up. Enjoy your ride.
Thank you.
Good thing we did this at noon.
Yeah.
The brightest.
Oh, GoPro seeing right up in it. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
It's kind of relaxing right now.
Yeah. I mean, personally, I don't like how it shakes, but I like how it regulates by the time you launch. Yeah. Heaven, let your light shine down.
Come on.
Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Oh yeah! Woo! Yes! Woo! Whoa, man! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh my God! The inside of my thighs hurt so bad. It keeps.
You don't have to squeeze them.
I know. They're like, ow! I don't think my hands are as tight, but they're definitely tingly.
Doing, doing. Oh.
It feels so good though. Oh man. Holy moly. Don't ever. Okay, down we go. Oh man. Don't even. Stop it. Stop. Stop.
It's fun.
No, Father.
All right.
Oh man.
I didn't do that one.
Well, yeah, because it's still gonna keep the momentum.
What is momentum?
Oh man. See, I can. Oh my God, I can't move my hands. Woo. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one.
Yeah.
I like how we swung a lot more this time.
Yeah, that was good rotation.